boy.
Okay. Okay. Oh, now we're awake. Okay, tired. Can you go back to sleep? I'm so tired. So tired. Oh. No, oh, oh. No, 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 no.
Oh, my son, you are just so adorable.
Lucas, you gotta burp, kid. Don't not sleep. You gotta burp. You don't have to fall asleep while burping. Oh, buddy.
It's like, why don't you let me sleep?
You gotta burp, kid.
We probably shouldn't be laughing, but it's just too
so
funny.
cute.
And cute.
Okay, say night night.